In this situation, we're given line M, and we have point P. They want you to construct a parallel line from a point off of a line. Line to line M through this point P, something that's going to look like this. These directions are pretty straightforward, but the easier skill angle, because if I copy an angle that I create on line M up to this point P, then the two lines should be. So the directions say to draw a point to the left of P and label it Q. What I really need is I need an angle through M to do. I'm going to go make that longer. I'm going to do a very long ray on this angle. They asked. Here's a point P on line M. I'm going to draw it, put my bullseye on that Q. I made sure to make my arc below to not confuse it with what, but I have to do another arc that's from P that this blue arc is from Q. So I just now center up P, and I do another large arc. Okay, if I'm copying an angle, remember it's the degrees of opening that are critical. So I want to capture this intersection of my blue pen with the red ray line. Make that go on like that for now. So I'm going to put my bullseye on the red point of intersection, capture this distance here, and sometimes it helps if you make those intersections distinct, like if I'd gone back in and first really colored over that, but I feel like I've got it captured well. Slide my up to where blue met red, P, and I swing, get a different color, swing a small arc. That point there should line up with point P, and when I connect it through, should be parallel to the line I saw. Looks like I did a pretty good job. It's just my points are thick. So this, I've created this new line. They wanted me to call it PS. They wanted me to label this point S. And in order to show something is parallel, one line or one segment is parallel to another, you put a matching number of arrowheads going the same direction. So those two red arrowheads indicate this line PS is parallel to this line M. I could have put 2 on each, and that would say the same thing. You're always looking for arrowheads going in the same direction and have the same number of arrowheads. So that is constructing parallel lines through a point off the line.